सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. HPL Engineering Limited has been awarded a contract by Western Railway for the provision of Kavach. The contract is worth 145.83 crore, inclusive of 18% GST, and covers 48 stations across 428 kilometers. The project is expected to be completed within 730 days. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, Zaggle, has signed an agreement with Aster DM Healthcare Limited to provide Zaggle Safe, an employee expense management and benefit solution, for a period of 1 year. The order size has not been disclosed in the notification. Maison Valves India Limited has received an order worth $1.46 million, approximately 12.50 crore, from a prominent international client. The order is for the supply of cutting-edge, high-performance critical valves and is expected to be executed within 8 to 12 months. This disclosure is pursuant to Regulation 30 of the SEBI, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015. Oriental Rail Infrastructure Limited has secured a domestic order worth 2,46,49,614 rupees and 72 paise from Integral Coach Factory, ICF, Chennai, Indian Railways for the supply and installation of 32 sets of one-coach set of chairs. The order is to be executed by January 31, 2027. 90% of the payment will be made upon inspection and provisional receipt, with the remaining 10% plus installation charges payable after final acceptance. Falcon Concepts Limited has received a new work order from Optimus Softech Private Limited for glass, glazing, and windows for a site in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The order value is 2,19,48,000 rupees and is expected to be executed within 12 months. This disclosure is made in compliance with Regulation 30 of the SEBI, Listing Obligation and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015. Raj Iron and Steel Limited received a letter from the Sub-Divisional Officer Water Resources, Bilaspur, demanding payment of water charges and a penalty for non-execution of an agreement. The company has paid the water charges but is contesting the penalty, stating they have an NOC from the Central Groundwater Board for groundwater extraction and believe the penalty is not payable. Diamond Power Infrastructure Limited, DPIL, has received a letter of intent from Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited for a 71 crore 46,41,200 rupees order to supply LT cables. The order is to be executed by March 2026. This disclosure is pursuant to SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulations, 2015. Saregama India Limited received a final order from the Appellate Tribunal under SAFEMA on April 29, 2025. This order relates to an appeal filed by the company against a penalty of 10 lakh rupees imposed by the Enforcement Directorate for delayed filing of Annual Performance Reports, APRs, for its Mauritian subsidiary between 2007 and 2010. The tribunal reduced the penalty to 2 lakh rupees, considering the company's explanation of inadvertent delay due to fire, office relocation, and staff attrition. Saregama will adjust the penalty against the pre-deposit made and claim a refund for the excess amount. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।